Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soil here, and today I want to talk about Binance Auto Invest, which is a new added feature to Binance platform, and you can find it here in the Earn submenu Auto Invest. By the help of Binance Auto Invest, you can automatically invest in your desired crypto assets and also automatically earn passive income on your crypto holdings. You just simply create your Auto Invest plan, which includes the coin you picked for investment, the amount you want to invest, and a schedule for buying the assets regularly, which I'll explain later how you can do it. And at the same time, on your invested assets, you can receive daily earnings from flexible savings accounts. This is actually a dollar cost averaging investment strategy with an extra benefit of earning daily interest on your invested assets, which is accumulating regularly. This auto invest feature on Binance is an excellent and beneficial way of investing for those of you who DCA in the market, because besides accumulating your crypto holdings, you also automatically earn passive income on your assets. If you're not familiar with dollar cost averaging, it's an investment strategy that can help you to minimize the risk and also to lower the amount you pay for investments on average. In this strategy, you leave money aside every day, every week, every month, or any period of your choice, and you buy bit by bit. You don't care where the market is heading, and you just stay consistent and buy in spite of the volatility. In dollar cost averaging, it's very important to have a strict schedule for buying periodically and consistently without caring about price fluctuations. By doing so, you don't spend all your capital at a bad moment, and you distribute your capital to the asset over time. With all being said about DCA investment strategy, Binance Auto Invest comes very handy for this purpose, with an extra benefit of earning passive income on the accumulated asset, which makes it perfect for those who want to invest by the help of dollar cost averaging. Right now, at the time of making this video, 62 coins are available for auto investing, including all the major and popular coins. Here we have a list of the coins, and in front of each coin we have some information about historical performance of the coin, such as its ROI, return on investment, if you have been using auto invest for the time period based on what you choose here. Consider we want to create a plan for BTC, Bitcoin. So here we click on create a plan, and this is the form that we must fill to activate an auto investment on Bitcoin. For this purpose, first of all, we must have stable coin in our spot wallet, USDT, Tether, or BUSD, Binance stablecoin. Then here we enter the subscription amount, the amount that we want to purchase on a regular basis. The minimum amount is 1 USDT. Consider we want to buy Bitcoin worth of 100 USDT on a regular basis. We choose our desired purchasing cycle from here. If it's daily, you give it a time here, and every day at this time, Bitcoin worth of 100 USDT will be purchased for you. Or you can set it weekly and give it a day, for example Sunday, and time 11 p.m. and every Sunday at 11 p.m. Bitcoin worth of $100 will be purchased for you automatically. We can similarly do it for bi-weekly, or we can set it monthly. One purchase every month on the date we set here. In the right side of the form, it gives us some summary information and when the first auto invest purchase will be executed. And here we have an option for the time that we don't have stable coin available in our spot wallet. As I said, in Binance Auto Invest, the crypto asset that is purchased automatically will be added to flexible savings account for earning daily interest on your crypto holding, and you can redeem your fund and transfer your coins to your spot wallet anytime you like, so don't worry about that. If you're not familiar with Binance savings account, I have a video about earning passive income on Binance, and there I explain all these savings accounts. The link is also in the description of this video and you can check it later. So here, if you turn this on, when your spot wallet for the stablecoin you chose here is insufficient or empty, auto invest function will use your flexible saving balance to execute the purchase, and if the flexible savings balance is also insufficient, the order will be cancelled and the system run as usual until the next cycle or period to make another purchase. Simply we click on confirm and it's done. Here in top of the list, you can create portfolio of crypto assets for auto investing. You can simply add any number of coins that you want to invest, actually auto invest, and the rest is similar to what I just explained. Dollar cost averaging is an excellent way of investing and accumulating crypto assets that help you to reduce the risk and lower the amount you pay for your investment on average, because you buy on regular basis on both high prices and low prices regardless of the short-term volatility. And with Binance Auto Invest, you have an extra benefit of earning passive income on your crypto holdings. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next episode and good luck with your investments.